Hey guys, today I'll be showing you my Pokemon collection. First, I'll be starting with my biggest Pokemon called Charmander. He's a fire type Pokemon and he's the first stage before he can be a Charizard. Second, we have Eevee, which is a normal type Pokemon, and she can evolve to lots of Pokemon, and that's why she's my favorite. Then we have Mega Lucario. If you have a Mega Stone, you can make him into Mega Lucario. But you need a bond with your Pokemon to do that. I think he looks cool. I'll put him here. Oh, And then we just got Flareon. I mean, is it what? This is I forgot what the name was. I forgot the name of it. It was called. I'm done. I forgot what the name is called. I forgot how it was. No. Meow. Mannequin. How am I gonna do this? This is Mannequin. She is a fire type Pokemon, just like Charmander. She's the first stage, just like Charmander, but a little smaller than him. And here we have Froakie. Froakie is a water type Pokemon that blows bubbles. And he is also one of the first stages of the evolutions. And we also have a Pikachu, which you would know by now. He is an electric type Pokemon, and he can do lots of cool moves. And it's also Ash's little sidekick he always goes with. And we also have this Pikachu backpack, which is very cool because I got this from Christmas. And I was going to show you my little minifigures, but I have no idea where they are. But let's just see what's inside of this backpack. So let's see. Cool. I found my minifigures inside my backpack. So I have Pikachu, Raichu, and Riolo. Riolo is the first stage of the evolution from Lucario, and This little guy right here is the the last evolution of Pikachu and Pikachu. And I hope you subscribe and like my video. Bye. What do you mean? There's a Kaelene in the way.